Have you ever seen this symbol before? It's the symbol for recycling. There are people whose jobs it is to help people recycle and make recycling possible in cities. Meet Rabia. Rabia is an environmentalist. An environmentalist is a scientist that finds ways to protect the environment. One way that environmentalists protect the environment is by encouraging people to recycle. Have you ever recycled anything? Recycling is a great way to reuse materials over and over again. Right now, Rabia is working at a giant landfill to solve a big problem. A landfill is a place with a giant hole in the ground where trash is dumped. The landfill has a lot of items that could be recycled, like pieces of metal. If items are recycled, they can be used again. For example, old pieces of metal can be reused and turned into things like cans, streetlights, or even bicycles. Rabia wants to find a way to remove the metal from the landfill so it can be recycled. Rabia isn't sure yet how to remove the metal, so she decides to use her computer to do some research. While researching, Rabia learns that she can use a giant magnet to remove some of the metal. Here's how it'll work. A giant magnet will fly over the landfill. When the giant magnet moves over pieces of metal that are magnetic, they will stick to the magnet. Then, the magnet will move the pieces of metal to a giant pile. The best part is that when the giant magnet moves over the other things in the landfill, like paper or dirty diapers, they won't stick to the magnet and will stay in the landfill. Rabia is excited that she can use a giant magnet to remove some metal from the landfill. Now it's your turn to go on an adventure and be an environmentalist.